Crew members would like to welcome aboard KT-304 to Banda Aceh. The flight to Banda Aceh is 2 hours and 30 minutes. We would like to inform you that this non-smoking flight, including a taxi grabbing pies, are prohibited and battery must be removed. According to the Civil Aviation or Safety Regulations, tampering with disabling or destroying smoke detector in lavatories is strictly prohibited. Thank you for your cooperation and have a very pleasant flight. Flight attendant yang mau position, thank you.
Penumpang yang terhormat, sesuai dengan peraturan keselamatan penerbangan sipil, kami mohon perhatian Anda saat awak kabin kami memperagakan cara menggunakan alat-alat keselamatan dalam pesawat. Dear passengers, according to the Civil Aviation and Safety Regulation, we must demonstrate the use of the safety equipment on board our aircraft. Please pay attention to our flight attendants. Sabuk pengaman Anda dipasang seperti ini dan dikencangkan seperti ini. Untuk mengeratkan, tarik talinya. Melepaskannya, angkat tumpukan besi. Your seat belt is fastened like this and tighten like this. To tighten, pull the strap. To unfasten the seat belt, lift the buckle. Apabila tension bag may not fully inflate, that is normal. If you are traveling with children, put your oxygen mask first, then help the children. Pesawat Boeing 737-800 New Generation dilengkapi dengan 8 pintu dan jendela darurat. 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian depan, 4 jendela darurat di kabin bagian tengah, 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian belakang. Boeing 737-800 New Generation is equipped with 8 emergency exits. 2 doors in front cabin, 4 windows in middle cabin, 2 doors in aft cabin. Dalam keadaan darurat, lampu petunjuk jalan keluar akan menyala untuk menunjukkan jalan keluar terdekat. The emergency exit lights will illuminate during emergency situation and will guide you towards the exit nearest to you. Baju pelampung Anda terdapat di bawah kursi dan hanya dipakai pada saat keadaan darurat di air. Your life jacket is available under your seat, and it is to be used for emergency water landing only. Cara menggunakannya: kalungkan baju pelampung melalui kepala, kancingkan, dan eratkan melingkari pinggang Anda. Place the life jacket over your head, and secure the strap firmly around your waist. Baju pelampung dikembangkan sesaat sebelum Anda keluar melalui pintu darurat. Bagi penumpang yang keluar melalui jendela darurat dekat sayap, pelampung agar dikembangkan setelah Anda berada di atas sayap. Untuk mengembangkan baju pelampung, tarik sekerasnya ujung merah. Jika baju pelampung tidak dapat mengembang dengan sempurna, tiup pipa karet. Lampu akan menyala jika baterai terendam air. The life jacket should only be inflated at the emergency exit doors. For those passengers evacuating through the emergency windows, life jacket is to be inflated once you are over the wing. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. Should the life jacket fail to inflate, blow into the red tubes. The light will turn on if the battery plugs in water. Kartu petunjuk informasi keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membacanya dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kabin. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. The safety information card of this aircraft is available in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If there's anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for your kind attention, and we wish you a very pleasant flight. Penumpang Penumpang yang terhormat, saat lepas landas sudah dekat. Silakan mengenakan sabuk pengaman Anda, menegakkan sandaran kursi, melipat meja, dan membuka penutup jendela. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, in preparation for takeoff, please fasten your seatbelt and make sure your seat back is upright. The table is stowed and your window shade is up. Thank you.
Para tamu kami yang terhormat, sistem pendingin udara akan bekerja maksimal setelah pesawat ini lepas landas. Kami memohon maaf atas ketidaknyamanan ini. Terima kasih.
Flight attendant takeoff station.
Penumpang yang terhormat, terima kasih atas kerjasamanya dalam menjaga kebersihan dan kenyamanan di dalam kabin pesawat. Dalam waktu beberapa saat lagi, awak kabin kami akan mengambil sisa makanan dan minuman. Kami mohon bantuannya untuk membuang sisa makanan dan minuman tersebut di tempat yang disediakan oleh awak kabin. Dear passengers, thank you for keeping the cabin clean and comfort. In a few moments, our cabin crew will collect any rubbish of foods and beverages. Please dispose them to rubbish bag provided by the cabin crew.
เ